Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program that checks if a person is allowed to enter a club based on two conditions. The first condition, the person must be at least 18 years old. 18 and above is the age group they are allowed inside the club. The next one is they should have a valid ID. Okay, so this is a Boolean value whether the person is having a valid ID is true or false. So based on this, we are going to decide whether the person is allowed to enter a club or not. So we are going to write a Python program by using if-else statement. Age is the variable, age equal to integer of input of enter the age. Next, I am going to check whether the person is having ID or not. Has ID is my variable is equal to input of do you have valid ID. So they have to enter yes or no. So do you have a valid ID? Yes or no will get displayed in the console. The user has to enter yes or no. So I'm using a strip function and a lower. Here the input statement will display the string to the console. The user has to enter yes or no. The strip function remove the white spaces in the beginning or the end. Lower convert the value completely to lower. So we need yes or no only. So enter a age will get displayed and user enter a age. The input statement receive it as a string that is converted into integer and stored it in the variable age. So has ID input of do you have valid ID yes or no. The string will get displayed in the console and user will enter yes or no. The strip function remove the white spaces and lower which convert the string into lower. For example, by mistake he is entering a one letter as a capital letter or he entering it in the title case, all are completely converted into lower. Now I'm going to assign a Boolean value true or false to the variable has ID based on the input given by the user. For this I'm using a ternary operator. Has underscore ID equal to true. So here I am applying the condition if has ID equal to yes, else false. So in the ternary operator, I am having a value. This value will be written when this condition is true. Otherwise, the value in the else part will get written. So true is my value. If has ID equal to yes is the condition. If the condition is true, the true will be written. That true will get stored in the variable has ID. It is become a Boolean variable now. If the condition is false, for example, user enters no, the Boolean value false will get stored in the variable has ID. So in this step, it is a has ID is the Boolean variable. So here it is a string variable. So the ternary operator will get executed. If this condition is true, then true will be returned. This value, this is the value when the condition is true, the value which is before the statement will get returned. If this condition is false, if has ID equal to no, that means equal to yes is false means the value in the else part will get written. In the else part, I am having a false. So first the value, that means the value will return when the condition is true, followed by the condition, and we have to give a else statement followed by the false. So condition is true, the true value will be written. That means the value that this is the part where this part, whatever you assign here, that will be written when the condition is true. If the condition is false, the value in the else will be written. So now the hash ID will store the Boolean value. I'm going to write the if else statement. If age greater than or equal to 18 and hash ID equal to true, colon, if the both conditions are true. That means the AND operator will return true if the condition in the left side and the condition in the right side are true. So age greater than or equal to 18 and hash ID equal to true. I am printing if both the conditions are true, the AND will return true. In this case, I am writing a print statement. Print, you can enter the club. Else colon print, you cannot enter the club. So here I am checking a condition if age greater than or equal to 18 and hash ID equal to true. If both the conditions are true, the AND logical operator will return true. Then if this condition is true, then control will come to the else part. Here I am giving a tab space. It shows the indentation is the scope of the if statement. So print, you can enter the club. If the condition is false, it means if both the conditions are false, any one of the condition is false, then the AND will return false. In this case, it will come to the else part. It will print you cannot enter the club. That means the user may failed in age greater than 18 or hash ID equal to true. One of the condition may be false or both the conditions are false. I am printing you cannot enter the club. Now we will execute the program and check the result. Enter age. I am giving age 20. Do you have a valid ID? I am giving yes. You can enter the club is my output. Now I am going to execute the program again. Here I am giving age is 17 and valid ID no. I am getting output. You cannot enter the club. So here both the conditions are true. Here both the conditions are false. We'll run the program again and we will give any one of the conditions is true. So age I am giving 20, valid ID I am giving no. It shows you cannot enter the club. So the program is working perfectly for all the classes. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.